Hey guys, welcome back to the video of EZauto-Boyz, and today I'm replacing the carburetor on a 2005 TTR LE. So first things first, you're gonna want to take up the air line. It's not a gas line, the gas line is actually on the other side. I'm gonna pop that off, then Phillips head screwdriver, take off the clamp right there, then you're gonna pull that off. This is just gonna slide out. They're gonna have this here, and then the choke lever you're just gonna unscrew and pull it out, but I already just did that. And then you're gonna have a gas line right here hooked up right here, and then you're just gonna unscrew this. And then you're gonna slide it out. This is the old one. And then with the new one, you're gonna wanna take off this, the needle with the spring and the screw, because it comes with the new one. And it also comes with the new choke housings and springs. So it should be easy to replace. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to install a new one. Yeah, with the new valve thing. Carb. Put this housing onto the wire itself, and then you want to put the rubber seal on that, and then you're gonna put the spring in. Then you're gonna want to hold it down with one finger, make sure it doesn't shoot out. Then you're gonna put in this little notch, that notch. Then you can just let go, make sure it doesn't fly away. Okay, then you grab your carb, then you just stick it in there. That. Then you're gonna press down with the spring, then you're gonna screw it in. Then you're gonna screw it in, and you don't want to over tighten it to strip it, just make it nice and snug. Get yourself some pliers or something. Okay. That should be good. Then I'm just gonna let that hang. Then for the needle, you're gonna get your main needle, you're gonna slide it in. Then you're gonna have this little clamp, and you're gonna put it inside so it won't be able to let it out. This is basically holding it. Put it right there. Put up.
See that? I'm gonna push it in. There, now it's in place. Nope.
Now that I put it in there, you're gonna wanna put your seal on first. Then you wanna put the spring on like this. Then you're gonna hold it down. It's be kind of a pain, but then you're basically gonna put the cable into the notch, feed the wire through, and then that's basically that for that. Then when you slide it in, it's still gotta go in, and you're gonna have to find a sweet spot. Yeah, there's little notches in there, and then see how it goes in. Screw that in, and then you're gonna make sure that it goes in all the way. Then you can like press the throttle key. So that's good. Okay, then put these on. Now you want to put the carburetor into the housing itself. You're gonna want to Slide it in. There we go. Then it's be
better if you just tighten that down right now. Don't want to make it nice and tight. Also, don't over tighten it. It's smooth.
Now you're gonna put the airline on. Screw that on and get the clamp. You wanna put it on nicely. Then just tighten it. And then this hose here is not a gas line, it's actually like a airline. So plug it in here and then you just tuck it in there. So the gas line is the one that's right here. It's the long one right here. And then this line right here, you plug it right here, that's the overflow. Now you put I put the gas line on and the overflow line on. And that's it. That's how you put the carb on a TTR 125. Thanks for watching.